In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to restore Facebook Messenger chat without PIN. Let's get started. So first, it's important to understand that the PIN is used for end-to-end encrypted chat backups, so in most cases, Facebook requires it to restore your messages. However, if you don't have it, there are still a few things you can try. You can use this option, use a one-time code instead to recover your end-to-end encrypted chats. Next, try logging into Messenger on a different device or browser where you were previously signed in. Sometimes your chats may still load automatically if this session is trusted. Next, check if you have any cloud or device backup enabled. If you previously backed up your chats to Facebook or device storage, you may be able to restore them without entering the PIN again. Another option is to log into your Facebook account and check if your chats are still available in the Messenger inbox. In some cases, messages are synced and appear even without manual restoration. If you recently reset your phone, try logging out and logging back in again. Also, make sure you are using the same account where the chats originally existed, because switching accounts will prevent recovery. If nothing works, you may need to go through the official recovery process inside Messenger or Facebook settings, where you can reset your encryption setup. However, keep in mind that without the PIN, some older encrypted chats may not be recoverable due to security rules. These are the best things you can try to restore Facebook Messenger chats without a PIN. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.